Hello guys, welcome back. So as you already completed our first 3 challenges, let's take up our 4th challenge now, which is automatically split a code into multiple orders. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on this gear icon followed by setup. So here I'm just clicking on object manager, and in quick find search for codes. So click on code, and here choose fields and relationship, and again in quick find I'm just going to search for order, so that you will get this order by. Just click on it, and now next to value you will be finding new button. So just click on this new values, and meanwhile let's copy this value from here. So just copy this and paste it over here, and now click on save. And guys, now by clicking on this app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ, you will get this page, and here in global search for capital Q followed by hyphen followed by 3 zeros followed by 26, which is a code number 26. Just click on it once if you get the result, and now click on edit. So here I'm just going to select this order checkbox, as well as in order by I'm just going to choose this effective start date. So once if it is done, click on save. So this is all about this challenge. So after saving we can check the challenge, and now let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed all of these challenges now. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.